Oops, it's recording. You look like a devil.
It's true.
I am a devil. Oh! Michael, stop it. Ew. She's on me.
That doesn't tear your head.
Please don't.
It's easier to see you.
No!
So, Amanda.
Ew. No! Ah!
Allie, what you talking up? She's going down there to Uzi, and we're going to Uzi. Dad, what you...
Okay.
We should stop moving Michael's little leg.
It doesn't work like regular laptop.
So?
Michael, stop it. He wants to sit on my face.
Yeah. We should just go jump in the pool and wake up. I would do that with you.